Healthy weight loss foods that burn fat fast. Are you looking to shed extra pounds and burn fat naturally? Nutrition plays a crucial role in any weight loss journey, and knowing which foods help your body burn fat can make all the difference. In today's video, we'll discuss foods that speed up metabolism, curb unhealthy cravings, and fuel your body for sustained energy. So, let's dive into the ultimate guide to healthy weight loss foods that burn fat fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you more valuable content like this. Fat burning isn't magic, it's science. Your body burns fat by using stored energy to fuel daily activities. Certain foods can boost this process by increasing your metabolism, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and keeping you full for longer periods. By incorporating specific fat-burning foods into your diet, you can support natural weight loss and overall health. Let's explore a detailed list of foods that not only help burn fat, but also nourish your body. Protein is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. Unlike carbohydrates or fats, protein requires more energy to digest. This means your body burns extra calories during digestion, a process known as the thermic effect of food. Chicken breast. A staple in many weight loss plans, chicken breast is low in fat and high in protein, making it a lean source of energy that supports muscle growth and fat burning. Salmon. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon aids in fat metabolism while promoting heart health. Eggs. Packed with essential nutrients and high-quality protein, eggs can keep you full and energized throughout the day. Thermogenic foods naturally increase your body temperature, which boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories. Cayenne pepper. The capsaicin in cayenne pepper provides a spicy kick while speeding up your metabolism. Ginger. Known for its digestion-enhancing properties, ginger also increases calorie burn and helps reduce inflammation. Turmeric. This anti-inflammatory spice contains curcumin, which may support fat breakdown and prevent fat tissue growth. Sprinkle these spices into your meals for an easy, flavorful metabolism boost. Fruits are an excellent choice for satisfying your sweet tooth while supporting weight loss. Grapefruit. Often touted as a weight loss superfood, grapefruit is low in calories and high in nutrients that support fat metabolism. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are low in sugar but rich in antioxidants and fiber, which help stabilize blood sugar and support digestion. Incorporating these fruits into your snacks or breakfast can energize your mornings. Leafy greens are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, all while being incredibly low in calories. They are an ideal addition to any meal plan. Spinach, loaded with iron, magnesium, and fiber, spinach supports digestion and provides long-lasting energy. Kale. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, kale helps boost your overall health while aiding in weight loss. Add a handful of leafy greens to your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries to maximize their benefits. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are bad. Healthy fats are necessary for brain function, hormone regulation, and fat metabolism. Avocados. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados promote a feeling of fullness while helping reduce belly fat. Nuts. A small handful of almonds or walnuts provides healthy fats for sustained energy and curbs cravings for unhealthy snacks. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, supporting digestion and fat burning. Remember, moderation is key when consuming high-calorie healthy fats. Complex carbohydrates, unlike simple carbs, take longer to digest, keeping you full for extended periods and providing a steady energy source. Sweet potatoes. Filling and nutrient-dense. Sweet potatoes are a low glycemic option that helps maintain blood sugar levels. Quinoa. Known as a superfood, quinoa is high in protein and contains all 9 essential amino acids. It's an excellent choice for post-workout meals. These complex carbs work perfectly for lunch or dinner to keep you energized without causing an energy crash. What you drink can directly impact how efficiently your body burns fat. Swap sugar-laden drinks for these metabolism boosters. Green tea, rich in antioxidants called catechins, green tea improves metabolism and supports fat burning. Black coffee. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system and enhances calorie burning, making it a great pre-workout beverage. Enjoy these drinks in moderation to avoid excess caffeine intake. Combining the right foods creates a synergy that maximizes fat burning. Pairing protein with healthy fats or carbs ensures your meals are balanced and keeps your metabolism steady. For example, a spinach and avocado salad topped with grilled chicken or a quinoa bowl with veggies and salmon are perfect combinations that fuel your body and burn fat efficiently. When hunger strikes between meals, having go-to snacks that support weight loss is essential. Greek yogurt with berries combines protein and fiber for a satisfying snack. Raw almonds or walnuts, a nutrient-dense option that provides healthy fats and keeps you full. Prep these snacks in advance to avoid turning to processed options. Processed foods and added sugars can disrupt your fat-burning efforts. Stick to whole, natural ingredients to ensure your body gets the nutrients it needs. Be cautious of foods marketed as low-fat or sugar-free, as they often contain hidden sweeteners. Here's how you can start integrating these foods into your daily diet. Breakfast. Start your day with scrambled eggs, spinach, and avocado, or enjoy a smoothie made with berries, chia seeds, and Greek yogurt. Lunch. Opt for a grilled chicken salad with kale, nuts, and a dash of cayenne pepper. Dinner. Keep it light with baked salmon, quinoa, and a side of steamed broccoli or kale. Planning meals ahead not only saves time, but also ensures you're consistently eating foods that support your goals. Staying hydrated is crucial for fat metabolism. Drinking sufficient water throughout the day helps your body process nutrients, suppress cravings, and maintain energy levels. Try including lemon or cucumber slices in your water for added flavor and detox benefits. Remember, this isn't about a quick fix. Incorporating fat-burning foods into your diet is a long-term commitment to health and wellness. Start small. Swap unhealthy snacks for nuts or fruits. Add leafy greens to one meal a day, or replace sugary drinks with green tea. These small changes will, over time, lead to significant results. To recap, foods like lean proteins, thermogenic spices, leafy greens, fruits, healthy fats, and complex carbs are powerful allies in your weight loss journey. Combining these foods strategically, staying hydrated, and steering clear of processed options give you the best chance for success. Remember, fat burning isn't just about what you eat, but also about developing overall healthy habits. Are you ready to transform your diet and reach your fitness goals? Start by incorporating just a few of these fat-burning foods into your meals today. Share your favorite dishes in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on growing stronger and healthier. Together, we can fuel a lifestyle that feels as good as it looks. We'll see you in the next video.